watching my lovely TV. And if you're wondering why the quality of this video is so horrible, it is because my brother and I share the SLR camera, so he's currently using it. Yeah, lately I haven't been able to record any videos. I was thinking, since it's been a while since I record something, why not do something fun? So I'm participating in a Hmong Tag. I wasn't tagged by anyone, but I just decided to do it anyway. If you haven't already figured out, I am Hmong. I think this is a great way to get the channel started because I haven't really formally introduced myself to anyone yet. So the first question is, when was the last time you were in Thailand? Sadly, I've never been to Thailand. I wish I could go one day. Hopefully, I don't know, probably after college or something when I have more money. I heard that it is very beautiful, and the food and the products they sell over there is a lot cheaper than over here, and even the fruits are more fresh. They taste a lot better than the ones over here. Okay, question number 2 is, what's your favorite Hmong dish and why? I don't really have a favorite Hmong dish. I would like to say papaya salad, but that is not entirely Hmong. I guess pepper. I don't know if you consider that a dish or not, but yeah, the pepper is like the best. I love Hmong pepper, and you could eat it with like anything, especially if you just have even plain boiled meat with rice and dip it in some Hmong pepper. That is way more than enough for me. So I would have to say Hmong pepper is my favorite. Question number 3 is, name one household item that best resembles our Hmong culture. I would say in my house, the item that it's a household item. Never mind. Damn it! I just changed my mind. Originally, I was gonna say lutaneng, which is mainly if you are shaman, you should have one in your house. Sadly, my family is not that Hmong, so we don't have anything really Hmong. A fly swapper? We have a small fly swapper that is pretty, I guess if you consider that Hmong. Oh, we have those Hmong tables. I remember as a kid I grew up eating at that small table watching TV. Okay, 4th question. Do you know how to speak Hmong? If so, say a phrase or 2. Well, I'm not gonna tell you my name. Out of all my siblings, I'm the one who speak Hmong the most. I am the most Hmong person in my family. I think I'm pretty decent at speaking Hmong. I'm probably not the best. I don't know all the vocabulary and stuff, but I know enough to get through life. Number 5. What's your favorite Hmong song? And sing it. Okay, I am a very boring person, so I don't really have a favorite Hmong song. Yeah, I don't have a favorite Hmong song. And I'm probably not gonna sing for you guys because my voice is horrible. But yeah, I like all Hmong songs. Okay, question number 6. What's your least favorite thing about being Hmong? Okay, my least favorite thing about being Hmong is the gender bias. I'm pretty sure this is apparent in most Asian cultures, but I don't know. It just really gets to me how Hmong families, well, especially traditional Hmong families, really prefer males over females. though I don't necessarily blame them because it is how our culture is set up. Eventually the daughters will move on and marry into another family and will not be considered to be a part of her initial family, whereas the son will carry on the family name. We are expected to take care of the house, basically be housewives. But it's harder here in America where we have school and we have a career, and yet we are expected to do just as much. And we are expected to listen to our husbands, to our brothers, to our fathers, and to our family, and even our in-laws. Basically, whatever we do, we are being judged for it, and that's what I really don't like about being Hmong. But I guess I could live with it. What's my favorite thing about being Hmong? Okay, my favorite thing about being Hmong is our clothing. As a kid, I never liked wearing Hmong clothes, but then my mom always made me wear Hmong clothes and whatever. But now I really appreciate our clothing. Well, yeah, I just love showing our clothes. It's so unique. Okay, I lost my train of thought. Oh yeah, but our designs are very unique and beautiful, and it seems as today a lot of our the designs and patterns on our clothes are being shown in American fashion now. I've seen some clothes around with the Hmong designs, and it makes me really proud of being Hmong. Okay, number 8. Do you like to go to Hmong New Year's? Yes, I do. For one, yeah, as I stated before, I love wearing Hmong clothes, so it's a great opportunity for me to go, to wear Hmong clothes without looking weird. And in addition to that, I love to go watch performances. I just remember as a kid and growing up, I still do the same thing. When I get to New Year, I go sit at the stage and I just watch the performances all day long until it's time to go home. And third, I also love the food. The food on Hmong New Year is so good. For some reason, when we cook it at home, it's not as good as the New Year's. So, yeah, there's something about New Year food that's really good. So yes, I do like to go to Hmong New Year's. Number 9, do you like to watch Hmong movies? I used to. Now I don't watch movies that much anymore. I guess mainly because in the past my family always bought, like every time we went to New Year we bought movies, but nowadays we don't buy movies anymore. Yeah, I don't really watch Hmong movies anymore, but I have nothing against them. I could watch them. Number 10, do you know or did you Hmong dance? And I'm pretty sure this is the obvious answer. Yes, I do Hmong dance. I've been Hmong dancing ever since I can remember. I think you can find videos of me ever since I was 4 or 5 trying to Hmong dance inside of my house. And my first performance I actually performed alone. And I officially got into a dance group when I was in 7th grade, I believe. So that was what, 6 years ago? I've moved between 3 dance groups. The first one is Thailand, the second being Hmong Tag, and then the final one, which is the one I'm in right now, is Ba Ho Cha or Ba Ho Cha. And this one actually I put together, and I'm actually teaching them as well as participating in the group. And I believe that's the end of the Hmong Tag. So I would like to tag, I don't know who has been tagged or who haven't been tagged. So I'll just tag whoever is Hmong and have not been tagged yet. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video of me and got to know me a little bit better. I hope you enjoy yourselves and have a very nice day. Oh yeah, have a very nice day or have a good night, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.